Okay, take two. Or um, did a video on our sweet potato harvest, or our partial sweet potato harvest, or experimental. And I said I was going to wait a couple of weeks before I dug these, but I'm antsy and impatient, and I didn't want to wait. So I started doing them, and look what I found. So when I saw these, I thought, you know what, I got to go get my phone, and let's see what we got going on here. So I'm going to prop you guys up, and we'll finish our sweet potato harvest, or maybe I'll just do this one. I really don't know. We'll come along and we'll figure it out as we go, I reckon. But when I saw this one and this one, I was like, hey, this might be worth actually bringing my YouTube family along for. I mean, I'm going to bring you along for the failures too. I've already told you how epically bad those two were. So we'll see. I mean, I've already learned my lesson. I know what I can do better next time. So let's just see what we get at this point. All right. Thanks for hanging out. We'll see how it goes. Oh, okay. Now again, I can't really see what you guys see. So I hope you have somewhat of a view of what I'm doing. Yeah, I hope so. I hope you guys can see. I'm just trying to get you set up. Sorry if I'm making you dizzy or messing with you. I don't mean to, and if that falls, I'm going to just apologize in advance. It's just a phone. But that's not bad. I'll set that one aside. I'll set that aside. And dig in here a little bit. I'm trying to keep the soil in the container because I'm reusing this soil out on the fall garden that I'm working on, that I'm starting. So I do try to, I don't want to just turn it over and dump it. I see a lot of little roots that are orange that maybe under better circumstances would have turned into tubers. And those might be the only two real taters we get. I don't know. All of this stuff I just kind of throw over into the compost, which is literally right there. Makes it pretty convenient. Uh-oh. 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 Can you hear my excitement? Look at this. I hope this is in screen. I hope you guys can see this. That is awesomeness right there. That is awesomeness. I hope you guys are getting that. That makes me hopeful and happy. Very hopeful and happy. Uh-oh. Better. This is the one that other one broke off of, I'm wondering. Because I do have... Hey! You know what, y'all? I'm getting excited. I may take them all. I may just harvest it all today. Nice. A little bit of rodent pressure right here. Not sure if that's coming in, but just a bite though. I mean, they didn't take much. Not like those cantaloupe. Did you see that video? Oh, made me so mad. If I'm gonna save some of this, I'm gonna end up just trying to get what I do with my wagon. No. Put some of this dirt in my wagon so that I can get down to the taters. Because, whoa, there's a nice one. Again, I hope I'm just getting them in. Hope you guys can see them. This one obviously had more compost in it. I mean, break it up as we go here. Not sure what I'd do with that one, but might be a little bit big to put in compost. I'm not sure. Alright, I'm going to go get my wagon, which is right here. Pull it up. Handy dandy favorite tool. My uncle sent me that wagon and via my father. And I swear, I was just telling my husband the other day, I cannot imagine a day out here without it. I just can't. That thing's been such a little workhorse for me. Uncle Steve, I don't know if you watch my videos, but I thank you maybe a year ago, I don't know. Seems like forever ago. So, another thank you. This thing's just my little powerhouse. I've got a big wheelbarrow too that I used for years over in Jensen, and I love it too. But it's bigger, and although very easy to push. Love how easy it is to push. It's also very, it's just a lot bigger. Harder to get in small spaces like my garden. And I should probably start using it to tote water though. I think this is going to avoid the need for me to break all this up when I get out to the other garden. The soil seems a little more compact now. So, let a little more digging begin. I just emptied out about a half. Now that one doesn't look too bad. I'm going to show you down into the pot. You can kind of see where I'm at there. And set you back down on the edge of this empty container and hope you don't fall. Yeah, it looks pretty even. I'm going to have to get down here. Bend at the knee, not the back, right? My chiropractor watches our channel. Occasionally. I don't think he watches all the time. But they do tune in. I absolutely love them too. By the way, if you happen to live in our area, I'm going to do a little plug for them. Coastal Medical on corner of Salerno Road and US, almost at the corner of US 1 Salerno Road in Martin County. Absolutely fantastic care. I wouldn't trust anybody else. I have kind of unusual circumstances with my back, and a long story there that I don't discuss very often, but I'm not supposed to be doing what I do. I'm not supposed to be able to do what I do. And I give Dr. Atwell a lot of credit for the fact that I do it. Oops. Oh, there's just a lot of dirt down in my boot that flew over the edge. I think maybe I already hit the honey hole with this one, because, boy, the bottom's got a lot of root development down in it, but I'm not finding any more digers. Just finding what's going to make that soil out there amazingly beautiful. think I'm going to find any more in this one. Oh, that one, that kind of long, skinny ones, they're just a little past root, you know. I've just been throwing those over in the compost. What in the heck? That was a piece of wood, like a piece of 1x2. That's exactly what it is. Some more of the roots that I don't want out in that garden. But yep, I think that's it for this basket. Alright. I'm going to pick this one up and set it over in my wagon. And we will get a camera shot on another one. Okay, I'm not picking that one up. I'm pushing it out of the way. That's beyond my weight limit. Honey! Yeah, tomorrow. Oops, sorry guys. Okay, we're going to work on this one. And I think that I'm going to try putting this thing on pause. And I'll just bring you guys back and show you what I get out of all of it. Because I don't know how long it's going to take for me to harvest these last 3. So, we'll bring you back for the conclusion. Alright, thank you so much, guys. Love ya. Well, I thought I would pause you. I don't think it'll pause with my finger wet. Okay, maybe we're coming back for another video. So I can't get you to pause. You love me, you don't want to leave me. Alright, I'll bring you back